This is the AI News Flash for May 30, 3 p.m. UTC. First up, Yahoo Finance exclusive prediction. Semiconductor giant Broadcom is expected to soar after its June 3 fiscal Q2 2026 earnings, with the AI inference specialist's custom silicon dominance moving into a full monetization phase. This marks a decisive milestone for the company's positioning in the AI chip market. Q2 AI chip revenue is projected at $10.7 billion, representing 143% year-over-year growth, dramatically accelerating from the 46% growth in the prior year period. CEO Hock Tan indicated the company has clear line of sight to achieve AI chip revenue exceeding $100 billion in 2027, representing more than 5x growth from the current fiscal year run rate. Broadcom controls 60% of the global custom ASIC market, having established its position as a key partner alongside Google TPU, Meta MTIA, OpenAI custom chips, and Anthropic TPU, the hyperscaler 6 custom silicon major partners. The NVIDIA GPU monopoly structure is rapidly diversifying, with hyperscalers planning combined $725 billion capex in 2026, and inference workloads projected to consume 2/3 of AI data center computing power in 2026. This represents a decisive moment with custom silicon market dominance by Broadcom. Institutional investors entering full selection phase for second phase AI semiconductor investment theme inference layer core players. NVIDIA $5.5 trillion market cap monopoly structure dispersing, positioning this as the most important milestone in the 2026 AI inference market. Next up, Variety exclusive interview. Hollywood A-list actress Emily Blunt publicly expressed deep concerns about AI technology, refusing to use AI during filming of Steven Spielberg's upcoming sci-fi film Disclosure Day. This represents a notable case study in Hollywood entertainment industry, AI skepticism, marking a decisive new example of A-list talent publicly resisting AI technology. Blunt officially stated on Hot Ones podcast that she was a bit terrified of using AI for a critical 4-minute scene. Rather than rely on AI-generated alien sounds, she created the otherworldly sounds organically herself, performing clicking sounds, humming sounds, consonant sounds, and strange breathing sounds, with sound designers crafting the final audio from her vocal recordings. This follows established trends in Hollywood entertainment AI controversies, including SAG-AFTRA Actors Union AI contract strengthening, Taylor Swift AI clone trademark registration, Ben Affleck's 16-person AI filmmaking team, Peter Jackson Beatles' unreleased song AI restoration, Cate Blanchett RSL Media nonprofit organization establishment, and Jeremy Scott graduation speech AI-generated script destruction protest performance. Celebrity AI skepticism cases are accelerating rapidly. Disclosure Day releases theatrically June 12, 2026, with Josh O'Connor, Colin Firth, and Coleman Domingo in ensemble cast. This aligns with Merriam-Webster Dictionary AI Slop 2025 Word of the Year selection and consumer AI backlash mainstream trend, positioning this as the most important milestone in 2026 entertainment industry AI concerns expression. Next up, TechCrunch Strictly VC Athens exclusive coverage. 3 top venture capitalists candidly discuss the AI investment groupthink boom, signaling a decisive moment of institutional investor sentiment reassessment in the AI industry, with full critical reevaluation phase entry. Nico Bonazzos of Verdict Capital, Andreas Stavropoulos of Threshold Ventures, and Ben Bloom of Atomico participated in the panel. Bonazzos stated bluntly that in 17 years in Silicon Valley, he has never seen more groupthink, with 75% of recently raised venture capital going to just 5 companies, openly acknowledging extreme capital concentration structure. Age-based funding bubble phenomena were also highlighted, with 22-year-olds in San Francisco building AI receiving aggressive seed offers, and 19-year-olds potentially already having Series A rounds. Pitch deck metrics inflation is becoming common, with sophisticated investors urged to cut through. February global VC reached a record $189 billion, with 90% AI-related in top 3 companies capturing 83%, echoing the K-shaped polarization trend. Meanwhile, Bloom pointed out physical AI robotics as the biggest wide-open space over the next 10 years, while Stavropoulos expressed optimism about mega IPOs like SpaceX attracting new market participants. Both emphasized AI technology enables 2 founders to make more progress in 2 months than 10 people did in a year, Validating AI startup productivity revolution, institutional investors entering full selection phase positions this as the most important transition point in 2026 AI industry VC market. Next up, Motley Fool detailed investment analysis. U.S. insurance industry data analytics giant Verisk Analytics shares have fallen approximately 50% over the past year, with AI-driven data moat erosion concerns deepening dramatically. This decisive moment represents a structural reassessment of corporate competitive advantage in the AI era. Verisk's moat foundations include 39 billion statistical records, comprehensive data on 143 million U.S. properties, exclusive proprietary database coverage, status as official statistical agent for state insurance regulators across all U.S. states, deeply embedded insurance regulatory compliance workflows, and structurally established competitive advantages. The company's AI integration strategy includes the GenAI Commercial Underwriting Assistant and Xacta.ai Claims automation platform, positioning AI as enhancement rather than replacement tool. Q1 revenue growth decelerated from 7.5% in 2024 to 3.9%, while adjusted EBITDA margins remain above 56%, generating $1.2 billion annual free cash flow, maintaining solid profitability.
Meta, Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, and Amazon 4 companies face EU antitrust investigation escalation, with hyperscalers planning combined $725 billion capex in 2026. AI-driven structural reassessment of corporate competitive advantage is accelerating. Institutional investors entering full reassessment phase of corporate moats in the AI era positions this as the most important litmus test in 2026 AI era corporate competitive advantage.
Next up, Bloomberg exclusive coverage. Federal Reserve Bank of New York President John Williams quipped that economist jobs are safe as the AI shift unfolds, marking the first official comment by a U.S. monetary policy authority top leader on AI employment impact. This signals a decisive moment of global AI employment governance entering full policy debate stage. Williams' core comment context recognizes the rapid AI technology evolution driving fundamental labor market transformation, with economists and high judgment professions facing limited AI replacement risk for now. The Federal Reserve official acknowledged that human professional expertise continues to provide value, and the Fed has begun full-scale analysis of AI labor market impact as monetary policy material. Meanwhile, Salesforce 4,000 person, Block 4,000 person, HSBC 20,000 person, Morgan Stanley 2,500 person, and Cloudflare 700 person AI-driven layoffs continue, with cumulative over 1,015 AI-related job cuts deepening the white-collar employment structural collapse trend. Goldman predicts 300 million global jobs face AI automation impact. Dallas Fed data shows 22 to 25-year-old AI-related occupation employment, 13% decline, with urgent response requirements. With 55% of U.S. adults perceiving AI as more harmful than beneficial, and 70% expressing employment reduction concerns in poll results. The 2026 midterm elections AI employment policy maximum issue link is virtually certain. The Federal Reserve's full-scale AI labor market impact analysis phase entry positions this as the most important transition point in 2026 U.S. monetary policy AI employment. That's all for this AI news flash.